Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an outline only text effect on CapCut PC. Before I start, sorry about the fireworks. Default text, I'm just going to type in the word glowing. I'm also going to select this for the preset style, and then I'm just going to find like a font that's kind of like boldish, and then I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to select glow. You can select any glow that you want, but I'm just going to select the basic white glow, and then I am just going to right click, create compound clip. You must do this, go to blend mode and select brighten. You can't see anything yet, but that's because I haven't put in a background, so I'm just going to select this galaxy background, and as you can see it shows like the outline only. You can use any colors for this as well. You can go to animation and then you can go to combo and animate that if you'd like to. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!